Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to level your security skill inside of Oblivion Remastered. So all you have to do is find a gate with a hard lock that has more than one tumbler, and then you're going to just lock one of them and then spam the spacebar to super duper easy level your skill in about 5 minutes. So currently my character's security level is level 14. So we're going to see how quickly I can actually level this. So I'm going to open up this hard level gate and I'm going to lock this tumbler. And then once I've got it locked, just like this, I'm going to spam the spacebar and you'll be able to almost immediately in the background hear the sound of your skill leveling up. And then boom, there you go. Security mastery increased. So that's the first tier. And if I exit out of here, we can go back in here to my character. And now my security level is 25. And that was not even like a minute. So within like 30 seconds of just spamming the spacebar, I was able to reach security level of 25 using this ability. And you can do this on any gate. It doesn't have to be here. I'm currently just dicking around inside of the Imperial City prison because it's right next to where you get out of the sewers. And you can lockpick this fella over here, or pickpocket him, I should say, over and over again in order to raise your sneak skill. And so with just this, you can max out your security skill in probably 5, maybe 6 minutes. Alright, so now I'm at level 50 with my security skill, and that probably took me another 40 seconds to get to that point, just spamming the spacebar in order to set a tumbler that has already been set. And just to prove it to you, we'll go back into my character abilities, and then here you can see down here, my security is now level 50. So if you're looking for a way to kind of make those nasty locks a little bit easier, try this method out. It's a really quick way to do it. You could probably maximize, like I said, your skill level to 100 in under 5 minutes. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.